Hey, what's up guys, and in this video I'm gonna review the Bootleggers ROM. So let's get started with this video. And before starting this review, I'm gonna talk about the ROM. And this is the official ROM by the Karthik game, thanks to him and to making it official for the Redmi 2. And let's talk about the ROM. Now this ROM is based on the GZOSP, which is Ground Zero project, which is very famous in the Nougat times. And now first of all, this ROM is based on the GZOSP. This is not a part of that community, and ROM is very amazing in my opinion. The battery life is kind of good, and I will tell you how is my experience with this ROM. Now just quickly pick up the device, and first using this ROM feels like very solid, and it just like fits on the Redmi 2 Prime, and it works quite well in my opinion, and it comes with a lot of features. So let's just get to the features. And if you find the exposure very vigorous, so sorry for that. And talking about the features, comes with a lot of feature, and one of the best feature which I found on this is the lock screen UI. You can change literally everything on this ROM, like lock screen or clock, and which is very amazing. You can see this clock is like diamond shape. You can change it to Deadpool, which looks like this. So you can change a lot of clock style here and there, and also the date style you want, the way you want it, which is very amazing. Also you can change the accent colors, and there are a lot more than you can expect from a custom ROM. And also the font option is there, so very amazing. Date font options, very amazing. That's one of the dope things about this ROM. You can change every aspect of your UI, which is very nice. The ROMs comes with the OTS system, which is very nice. So every time you get an update, you will be notified by this, and you can just update your ROM from this, which is very nice in my opinion. And right now it's official, so no worry about it. You can also check the feature list, whatever the changelog is there in the ROM. Also the add-ons, which is the Super Zoo and Magisk, you can download from their website itself, so no need to hustle and bustle here and there. So yeah, that's a very nice thing. Comes with the June security patch, which is very nice. Comes with the latest Android version, which is again very nice. And talking about the battery system, battery is kind of a nice. The idle battery draining is very low, so you can expect that if you just put your phone for a day, you won't be getting your battery drained down to like 10 to 20%. So you can expect a very good battery life from this. But yeah, playing games on Redmi 2, you cannot play heavy games at all. I did play some games like cricket games and some racing games, which like real racing and the real cricket and WCC2, which is all two cricket games and one racing game. It performed very well. There is no glitches, any problem in the gaming. But yeah, the battery draining will high with every gaming. So yeah, that's the little disappointment. But you cannot judge the ROM on this. If you're a very normal user, you can, and if you want to use your device very wisely, then yeah, it is going to work very well, and it is for the daily driver. And yeah, the camera and everything is working, like hotspot, everything is working. VoLTE is working. If you're not getting VoLTE worked on your phone, please set the APN correctly, because I don't have a Geo SIM, and I always contact to the developer, and I always make sure that VoLTE is working. I ask to developer, he says it's working. So I don't know why people are complaining for the VoLTE is not working. Maybe your VPN is not set, not VPN, APN is not set, because it happens in every custom ROM. You have to set the APN manually. So I hope you understand this. And yeah, if you have any question, just comment down below. And if you want to contact me, just contact me on Telegram group, maybe the I button over here and there. And yeah, also you can DM me on the Instagram, which is very nice. So link will be in the bio section of the YouTube, so grab the link from there. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.